Crawdaddy Customs presents Harley Tech.
Okay, today on Crawdaddy Customs, we're going to be discussing these. This is the Rogue Rider Industries, the SigZ LED front turn signals. These flash from white, they flash orange, and then back to white again. This is one of the inserts right here. You can see it's the surface mount LED technology. You notice that this has a white background. They also offer it now with a black background. And this is an 1157 bayonet style, and it drops in. As opposed to our factory incandescent 1157s with an orange lens. So we're going to go through and we're going to show you a few different things. But the first thing that you're going to notice is that I have two boxes here. And the reason for that is on my original set here, one of them had a defect on it on this little machined aluminum turn piece. I called them up. I called up Rogue Rider Industries on was it Monday afternoon? Today's Saturday. They got my information. The very next morning, I had another set being shipped to me with all my shipping information. No ifs, ands, or buts, no questions about it. They wanted to make the product right. And it arrived yesterday, which was Friday. So basically, you got Tuesday shipping, whatnot. So basically about three and a half days. Can't go wrong on that for somebody. They sent me a new pair. And honestly, if I were to mess with these, I could get those to work again. I mean, they do work. It's just the one piece doesn't want to fit in there. You got to really monkey around with it to get it in there. And I don't want something like that on my bike. But they made it right. And another great thing about dealing with them is when you go with them direct as opposed to Amazon like I did the first time, they send you some cool stickers and stuff, so it's always fun to have in your collection. But anywho, we're gonna go through and I'm gonna show you the orange, and then I'm gonna show you clear, and I'm gonna show you the light smoked lenses and what the lights will look like with each on there. So let's take a look. Okay, this is what we're facing with factory. It's not very bright. Now I'll give you an idea what it looks like with one incandescent and one mixed. Okay, so as you can see, I've already popped the incandescents out. We open this up and some foam packaging, some instructions. They tell you about the rubber ring that's inside here. This rubber ring right here, you may have to press it back. I found that for my installation, it wasn't that. What it was the center cable. You need to make sure that it's looped around correctly so it's not binding. So, and this is what we get. You got the two lights, the assemblies, and it's pretty basic. So I'm gonna pop one in and show you how I do it. Twist, that simple. Goes in, you wind it around. And this is the part that was messing me up before. You just wind it around and it'll fit right in place. Of course, it wants to spring right now, but the lens will hold it right in place and we're good. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop the other one in, and I'm gonna go through and show you what they look like with the different lenses on them. It's on, nice and bright compared to the old ones. Let's see, right turn signal, left turn signal. The hazards, if they're out of sequence, all you got to do is let them run for a few minutes and it'll get itself all straightened up. Okay, now I've put the lenses on. I've just taped them in place because I'm tired of popping them in and out. But anyways, we got the smoked on this side, and over here we have the clear. So you can see what it looks like as is. Let's see what it looks like. We'll fire it up. There's a slight difference on the clear, but it's pretty bright even on the smoked one. Let's see what the signals look. Give you an idea. Okay, and as you can see, the lights really help other drivers see you as you're out on the road. All right, thanks a lot. Ride safe.